All right, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your low beam headlights in a Mazda M3. So what you need to do first is go to your Walmart or AutoZone and find out what kind of headlights you need. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. You can walk up to the guy at the register and be like, hey, I need headlights for such and such make and model, blah, blah, blah. He's gonna ask you if it's two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and you're gonna look at him like this. And then we're gonna eventually get past that. And then he's going to ask you high beams or low beams. You're gonna tell him whichever one is out or the ones that you want to replace. It's always good to replace them in pairs, so that way you don't have to do it more often. So altogether, I spent $37 on the low beams and then $52 on the high beams. I've already put the high beams in the vehicle. I'm not going to show you that, but I am going to show you the low beams version, or the low beams installation. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So we got your your H11 bulbs. You can see right there. Set that off to the side. You're just gonna reach in here. As soon as I find it, okay, and it's got a push pin. Push it in. Back that off. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. That is the connector for it. And you reach in here, you twist to the left, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and the bulb comes out. Okay, next step, take this out. Don't touch the glass of the bulb. Get rid of that. Okay, new bulb going in. Gotta try not to drop it. Line it up with the hole. If I can find it. Okay, lined it up. Now you're gonna have to fiddle around with it until it locks into place. There we go. Okay, you twist it right. Take your connector and you plug it back in. It goes one way. You hear the click and you're done. Next side is the hardest. Okay, now we gotta jack this up, so let's do that. All right, now that you got your car jacked up, this wheel well comes out. Not all the way out, but you know what I mean. All right, so take these clips out. Flathead screwdriver is, you know, your best friend. Just pop it a little bit, come behind it. You don't wanna break them. It comes right out. Once that starts to peel, you'll be fine. You got a few more. All right. So right here above this white little, or right below that white little, I don't even know what that is your housing for your headlight. So do the same thing you did on the other side. Push down on the clip. Wiggle it back and forth till the clip comes off. Okay, when the short and stubby flathead screwdriver doesn't do it, get the long one. All you do, reach up in here, grab that pin, push it down a little bit, use your flathead to coerce it off. Just like that, pops right off. Left hand twist. Out comes the bulb, next goes in. All right, next goes in the new bulb. Pull this back, and then you can kind of just look up here through this as you're doing it. And lock it into place. All right, once you're locked into place, you take your wires, plug it back in. Job is done. Don't forget to clean up, throw all your tools away. That is the old one, pretty bad. And now we'll lower it and we'll test it. Press the brake and turn it on. All right, as you can see, we replaced one headlight, two headlights, high beams. All right, sorry for that, technical difficulties. There's your brights that I just replaced earlier today. 1, 2, left turn signal. Left turn signal. Bam, 1, right turn signal. 2. And that, folks, is how to change your headlights on a 2015 Mazda M3.